Good afternoon, everybody. The market about to finish, and interesting thing that we can note in the Nifty today. My trading is going on since morning. I was trading with my traders, and now let's check out the market as it is about to finish in about 20 minutes. And let's check out the daily chart of this market. This is the daily chart of the market, and if I look at the Nifty futures here, and this is the chart I would like to look at. Nifty futures, if you will see, there is a very interesting pattern getting formed here, which is the evening star pattern. This pattern is an evening star pattern. This is a reversal pattern, and so many times in the past, Nifty has just turned back from this pattern. We'll go back and see if Nifty turns back from this pattern in the past here, and just a minute. Here, it's not start, it is star. So, bold. So this is an evening star reversal pattern from where this is turning back now. And let's go in the past and see, has this turned back from this pattern in the past? This was a reversal here. This is again a candle reversal pattern. I go back. This is one other place where we saw a reversal. This is a evening star pattern. This is another place where we saw a very clear evening star pattern and the market got a reversal. And there's so many times on the back, this was the evening star here, this was the evening star here. Sometimes it is clear, sometimes it is not clear. If you go back on the turning points of the market, so many times you will see that evening star becomes like this is an evening star pattern here. So this is the evening star pattern that we see here. Again, an evening star pattern that is there. So from this pattern, we see the market has a high probability of turning back. And as you saw yesterday, when I was trading the video that was uploaded yesterday, we saw that we are in a very expensive market with a PE of about 26.7, touching 27. And the earnings are not matching. And this is the time when liquidity is driving the market, fundamentals are not. Fundamentals are not driving the market. It is the liquidity that is driving the market. My intraday trades I need to finish now. So 3:15. So this is, I have since morning booked about 27,000 rupees of profit. These are my swing trades. And if you see, I have shorted December Nifty, not November. I'm shorting a December Nifty, looking at the bearishness. This I will finish now. The intraday trades I'll finish. It is 3:13, so I'll square them off. So my profit or loss, if a trade starts intraday, it finishes intraday. That is one thing I always say, that do not carry your intraday trades till tomorrow. Stick to the rules. Okay, so I've finished all my intraday trades here. And what I have left is a Nifty, Bank Nifty. And I am shorted the Nifty futures, and I'm also short on HDFC Bank. So I booked a profit of 26,822 rupees in this account. And this is the evening candle reversal pattern I'm trading here. And if I look at the other account here, so here I have booked about 7,900 rupees, and I will square off all my intraday positions now. I have Nifty intraday that I'm square. Then you don't see whether it was profit or loss. You have to get out. You make sure that your trade does not go to the next day. And here also I have booked my a profit of 8,300 rupees in the stocks. I was trading some expensive stocks, and there I booked a profit of about 1,000 rupees. So 8 and 1 9. So 9,000 in this account, and in the other one, roughly about 26,000. So that's a nice 35,000. And it was basically this pattern that I was trading since morning. I was seeing this pattern being made, and I saw that this is a very high probability reversal pattern that this Nifty has been known for, and I've shorted some Nifties of December, not November, December I've shorted. I also see HDFC Bank as very expensive, and HDFC Bank is another one where I'm seeing that there's a huge rally that has happened from the double top here. Now this one is also due for some correction, and the price has exceeded the valuations. It might just come back retracing. Maybe 38% retracement is considered a normal retracement for these markets. So we have markets that are expensive. I booked my 35,000 rupees today, and I also booked my losses. As I said yesterday, booking losses is as important as booking profits. And as long as your profits are bigger and your losses are smaller, you will do well into this market. Let's also check the Bank Nifty. You see, Bank Nifty has it has rallied. We have this move of Elliott that I can see. So wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 almost. So looks like wave 5 has finished for the Bank Nifty, and it might go into a consolidation mode for some time. But banks are also very expensive now. Another place where there was good money again today were the PSU banks. The PSU banks, for last many days, we are making money, and again we see this downward pressure coming on the PSU banks. Another SBI. SBI is slowly correcting down, and I won't be very surprised if sooner or later you see it coming back again on this level, or at least retracing back 50%. So as a trader, one thing I've learned is that it makes a lot of sense to flow with the market, understand the trends, go with the trends, and it goes, and today in front of my screen I put two beers, because I saw the market very, very expensive, and when the market is very expensive, I put beers in front. When the market is corrected down a lot, I have two bulls. I put them in the front, so that I know that who is likely to take control. Is it bull who will take control, or is it the bears who will take the control? So take care in this market. You are part of an expensive market, and in this market, this futures have made a evening star pattern. Evening star pattern is a reversal pattern. Many times Nifty has taken reversal from this pattern. So you take care and trade as per the trends here. I'm not into any portfolio right now. As I said, I have sold everything. I have nothing. Zero. I believe we are in a very expensive market, and it makes a lot of sense to sit on cash here. So great, guys. See you again with one more session. These small learning sessions I'll keep on uploading, so that my views are passed on, and always trade with a set of rules. As long as your profits are bigger and your losses are smaller, you will do fine into the market. So see you soon, and trade with caution in the market.